Alright, welcome everyone to the 2024 Tough Like Rorr Qualifier. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I messed up here. I did not record the start. That's my bad. But to be fair, nothing really happened anyways. When I came off the start and I go into the first corner, somebody fell right in front of me and I just got stuck behind him. And it was just a whole ordeal where I was just trying to get my bike out and he was still stuck in front of me. And I basically came out last. But once I started getting into the woods, I started passing some people. And then maybe a minute passed and then I started recording. Right here, I made my first big mistake. I went to the left. I should have just waited for them to move out of the way. And I lost a whole bunch of time here. I wasted a whole bunch of energy. And it's right in the beginning of the race. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so if anybody's wondering, this is the C class I'm racing in, and this is my first hard enduro that I've ever raced. You can see here, we got a big hill, not really that big. I don't know why they're stuck. Went up there, easy. Another big hill, people stuck on. Went up there, easy. I felt pretty good in this beginning part. I think right here I almost fall. I don't know what I was doing, just going too fast. Like I said, this is my first hard enduro. I don't know how to pace myself, so I'm kind of going at a pretty fast pace, not saving energy for the next couple hours. And later on, that catches up to me because I get super tired towards the end. So here, we're coming into the first hard rock garden, and I'm already tired. I don't know what I'm doing, like I said. Super tired already, going too fast in the beginning, even though I wasn't really going that fast. I thought I was going fast. Looking at this video, wasn't going fast at all. But then I started getting passed by people, so I decided to go this way. Horrible idea, because I just get stuck in between this rock and this log. And alright. Alright, so I finally get out of that rock. I get over this rock, I'm thinking, oh snap, I'm doing pretty good. I'm just gonna go around a bunch of people, because, you know, I'm nice like that. And then I get stuck in this rock over here. Yeah. So this is still the first rock garden of this race. This race is like 4 or 5 hours long, I think that's how long it took me, I'm not sure. And I'm just stuck on this first rock garden. Alright, so coming up here, you're gonna see that guy right there. He is the winner of the C class, and he's my friend. And I knew he was coming. I know he's faster than me. So I'm thinking, oh snap, I gotta start getting going. 'Cause he's gonna catch me any second now. And you'll see he catches me pretty quickly. Alright, so you see here, this is the problem with doing these races in the C class. Is that you're stuck behind so many people that are slower than you, and there's nothing you can really do about it. There's gonna be bottlenecks. There's gonna be people slower than you. You can just hope that they let you get around easier. Here I am trying to get around and wasting a whole bunch of energy. Luckily, he does let me pass here, but some other people weren't like that. They just kept me behind them. So overall, I'm really liking the course. It's feeling very hair scrambly. Obviously a little bit harder with that rock garden. But it's very fast flowing. They said it was gonna be a little easier. So that guy right there that just passed it, I think I passed him like 4 times in this race already. Alright, so at this moment, I'm feeling pretty good right now, kind of flowing, and I see this guy go to the left, and I'm wondering, man, the truck goes straight up, I wonder where he's going. But there's an absolute wall right here, and my hands come off the handlebar. I don't know if you saw that, but I almost ate it. And I'm shook now. I don't want to hit anything fast. Usually I'll jump it, you know, like the pro I am, but after that I was scared. Alright, I'll be honest with you, I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know why I didn't just jump it. You know, it's whatever. But I can feel like my friend's catching up to me. So now I'm thinking, I gotta get going. I gotta get around all these people. Alright, so I don't know if you heard that crunching noise. I don't know what that is. Man, I'm thinking my bike's broken or something, and I still really don't know what it is. I think it's something to do with my fork was like hitting something. I don't really know. But I know later on I check it out. Alright, so coming up, I hear the worst thing possible. Another bike catching up to me. And I know who it is. It's my friend from earlier. He caught up to me. I'm trying to hold him off, and he gets around me right away. And then this guy falls, and he just goes over him. And the funny thing is, I saw a YouTube video of that guy has on that bike, of him getting run over by him. But you know, I'm the nicer guy, so I didn't run him over, obviously. But now I'm thinking, dang, my friend's gone. You know, never gonna catch up to him again. And I see him right here. I'm like, oh, it's my time to shine. So when he gets over, I'm gonna jump the log. You know, not quite as smooth as I was hoping, but I still got over a pretty good time. So I'm thinking I just gotta catch up to him and stay with him. And he's over there. Alright, so it took him no time to get rid of me. I already lost him. Now I'm just going to try to catch up to him. You know, kind of riding a little above my limit, I guess you'd say. Trying to pass this guy, but you'll just... Look at this amazing line I take to try to pass him. And even with that line, I still don't pass him. Well, I end up passing him. And I end up catching up to my friend right here, who gets caught up by this guy. Alright, so for next year, I'm definitely thinking of moving up to the B class. I really don't like all these bottlenecks like you're going to see coming up. So right here, we get to our first big bottleneck. And there's just a sea of people here. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I mean, like, I try going around, but there's just somebody in every single line. But like I was saying, For next year, I'm definitely thinking of moving up to the B class. And with that, I know I have to work out, be better shape. And I'm going to try to do more hard enduro throughout the season just to get ready for this race.
Yeah.
Alright, so right here, I come up with the greatest idea that I'm just going to pick my front tire up and walk my bike through this gap, right? Only problem is, I don't know how to do that. And I just absolutely wedge my bike in here. And I lose so much time. Nobody wants to help me. Thankfully, this guy right here, what a legend this guy is. A true trail angel, and they call it. Helps me get my bike out. And now I'm back exactly where I was maybe like 5 minutes ago. I cut out a whole bunch of time. I was stuck there for a long time. You guys don't believe the amount of time I was stuck there. So finally, some people get out of the way, and I'm able to get going. And this guy, he flips his bike over here, and you can go to his YouTube video from earlier. I was mentioning him earlier. Alright, so now I'm over here causing the bottlenecks. And just look at this. I got out of one bottleneck, and I'm thinking, oh, finally, clear trail, able to get going, just to end up in the second bottleneck of the day. And this is arguably worse than the other one, because there's like just no other line to go through. And look at this, how many people there are. Alright, so someone's like, yo, go look around that tree, see how it looks. I'm like, bet. I start going around this tree, think I'm gonna get around a whole bunch of people, and I get around nobody, maybe like 5 people. But it didn't work out. Alright, so I really hate trying to get around some people, but this is a race. I still do want to get around people. We are racing, and I know there's like a code where we all get in line, but like I said, it's a race. I gotta get around people. I feel bad for going around them, but I found the line. So. Alright, so I asked that guy in front of me earlier, like, yo, what class are you in? He's like, oh, I'm in the B class. I'm like, oh, really? I'm catching up to people in the B class? So I'm definitely thinking now that if I go to the B class, I'll be a lot better, because I won't be stuck behind so many people. Like, when I started maybe like 10, 15 rows back of people. All those people were in front of me, and I finished maybe around 6, I think, for the day in C class. And it was a lot of people, And I think the camera ends here. My GoPro runs out of battery, or I hit the button, I don't know what happens. And I record nothing else for the rest of the day. So that's the end of this video. Hope you guys like it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Alright, goodbye.